about to leave. We got the trailer hooked up. Time to go get us a Supra.
He said defog the window.
Oh, great. You're good.
You know what that?
Mouse nest. Guys, we got the air box. We're gonna throw this back in. We got the Vibrant Performance intake pipe. Alright guys, we're about to start the car for the first time in almost 2 months. Come on. Here. Oh. Hey. Alright guys, we just messed around with timing. Now we're gonna go start it again.
We choose to go to the moon in this decade and do the other things, not because they are easy, but because they are hard. Because that goal will serve to organize and measure the best of our energies and skills. Because that challenge...
Well, if I had to guess, this is probably the most taken apart you will see this car, but we have the windshield is just sitting on there. Both quarter windows are out. I'm not sure if we're gonna have to take the front windows out or not. We may have to, but yeah, there's nothing in the interior. It's completely empty in here. Like I said, these windows are out. All of this is gone. Gas tank is out. Rear bumper support's out. Everything in the back of the car is off. And all of the wheels are off. And everything in the front is off. I hear it. I hear it. Guys, it's the Supra. It's the Supra. Oh my god. Holy crap. It looks so good. Alright everyone, before I wrap this video up, I just want to again say thank you to all of you for your support, and if you have made it this far watching this video, please hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. And I just want to say, yes, the build for the Supra is pretty much done. That we do have some parts for it that we are putting on, so there will be a video on that. There will be a lot more videos coming on the Supra in the future. I have a lot of stuff planned for it, and a lot of stuff that I know you guys want to see that I'm planning on filming videos for. And I am also getting new filming opportunities of different shows and other cool stuff for you guys to see, so I'm really excited for you guys to see that. And the quality of my videos is going up now because I got new editing software, and I'm just super happy. So thank you all so much for watching, and I really appreciate all your support. So thank you guys. I will see you next week. I hope you have a great rest of your week. Bye guys. Hope you enjoyed watching this video.